How to create a new template. After logging into your account, click on Template from the navigation bar. Click on Create New button. Now fill out the required fields, like template name, template description. Enable the fields by clicking on the checkboxes. Click on Upload Document. Select the file from your computer in PDF format and click Open to upload it. Now enter the signer name and email. You can change the signer role if you want. You can also add multiple signers or viewers if you want. You can also add custom message, but this is an optional feature. Now click on Save and Next. Scroll down the document and enter the required details in it. Drag and place the signature field, date signed field, the name field, the position field, and lastly the company field. You can delete a field by clicking on the red cross. You can also format the fields by going to the Format window. Now after entering the required fields, click Save and Next. Press Submit to save this template. Template has been created successfully. That's it for today. Document verification using globally patented technology. Thank you for watching.